Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. This time around we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy road moments caught on BIKERS camera. Close calls, road rage, crashes and many more interesting encounters will be featured in today's episode. And hopefully you might learn something out of it as well. So without any further ado, let's get this episode started. It came to an argument here, and the biker was upset at the pedestrian for not looking before crossing the road. Well, he was on a crosswalk to be fair, and they both had something to say to each other.
¿Qué, boludo? Que me cruzó encima. ¿Qué?
¿Nani?
¿Qué, amigo? No, vos te me cruzaste ahí. Vos te me cruzaste ahí.
Yo por ahí, pero
Yo por vos, boludo. Yo por vos. ¿Entendés?
Pero no miré con cara de tigre, boludo.
No, pero es que es por vos, pa. Es por vos, no por mí. Sí. Oh. Jesus. This Christ. Fucking bitch. Wow.
Why did I just do that to myself? What the heck? I found a street sign.
Never underestimate small creeks, because they can cause you way more problems than you can possibly imagine. This biker learned it the hard way, and he immediately regret his decision after attempting to cross it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh no! Oh no! Guys, I'll be the first to say I should have went that way. Why do I do this to myself? Why did I just do that to myself? That was a bad idea.
Hey!
In this crazy video, you will see some epic and unbelievable encounters caught on this biker's camera. Traffic can be a scary place, especially when it's rush hour. Keep your senses sharp and eyes wide open at all times.
Why? 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 Why?
Tá bom, né? O caminhão pegou no fogo. Sai daí, maluco! Sai daí, maluco!
These are exactly the types of situations that remind you how important it is to wear your safety gear while riding. Have you guys ever had the opportunity to see a self-driving car? Well, if not, here is your chance. This biker came across one and he gave us an all-exclusive look. Check it out.
There's no one driving this car. Watch this. What's up, bro? God, that's so weird.
This driver made a turn despite not having the right of way. If he drove at least a bit slower, the biker could have avoided an accident, but unfortunately he didn't. Take notes, drivers, and avoid crazy maneuvers like this one.
Coming. No, there is a bus coming as well. Why? We have green.
Yeah, but he's turning.
But you have to look. No.
One biker was not being careful and it literally took one split second to cause an accident. This is why we say all the time to keep your eyes on the road and never allow yourself to be distracted by anyone or anything.
E a última voltinha pra pizzaria, tá ligado? Porra, tio! Tá suave, meu parceiro?
Смен до банка на бързичко, за да си взема гражданската, тя е активна, просто трябва да си взема. Е такива индивиди, като пресекат по околовръстното и направо ми изкарва такова.
In this video, you will see how reckless drivers act during rush hour. In this situation in particular, the driver's view was blocked by other vehicles, but that didn't prevent him from pulling out onto the road, like there was no one else besides him.
All safe? Oh.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk.
Don't worry.
He was booked for taking his shirt off, and now he's being booked in the eyes of the referee for taking a dive.
Instead of slowing down while approaching the corner, this biker sped up and he nearly went head-on with another driver. No one's going to tell this police officer which lane to ride in.
They are crazy, man. They are crazy.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
From what I can see, this driver pulled up next to the biker, and there is no way he didn't notice him there besides him. That being said, he still tried to push him out of his lane for some reason. And with this clip, we conclude another episode of Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one together with us, and maybe even learned something from the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you like my work, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button, because it means a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.